Gathered here 10 next level knives. So just gonna do quick unboxing and overview. Got some Morpheons, Tech, Rita, Protech. There's Chavez, not really sure how to pronounce. So let's see what it's all about. Most of them are custom. We're going to start with the biggest one, Starlord Apocalyptic Max. This is a prototype, so there's only one in the world like that. It has no serial number, but it does have what do you call it, certificate of authenticity. You see Starlord, Apocalyptic Max, all that carbon fiber. It was date of birth 12/2015, no serial number, but maker, you see Morpheon, signed it. So look at that pouch. Also this kind of goes on and off. So take this out. This thing is super light for such a big knife. Look at that. It's so easy to flip it out, and carbon fiber, the whole thing. Yeah, that's awesome. And again, there is no serial number because it is a prototype. And obviously it's going to be very smooth. I love that. For the big hands, everyday carry, more like for camping actually. Every time I go camping, I probably bring this with me. Beautiful. Oh, there you go. There's the logo. Yeah, there you go. Morpheon A and S. So I guess maybe father and a son made this one, and it's 2015. And Starlord. Wow, that's cool. I opened it earlier, didn't notice this side here. Shake it down, boom. Love that knife so much. Wow, one of a kind. So yeah, whenever you get one of a kind knife like that, extremely collectible. Alright, let's keep on going. Okay, next, everybody love Morpheons. This is Ultratech mirror polish, anodized handle alloy with blue ridged titanium hardware. This is serial number 21, made in USA. So much smaller box. Maybe it's newer. There you go, there's a certificate of authenticity. Much smaller also, but also metal. So blade Max mirror polished. So 2019, so much newer one. So they make a smaller box, but it is a smaller knife. So beautiful. I love their pouches. So I love polished mirrors. This is something that is a collection. You see there's a maker, Morpheons 2019-03, serial number 21. I love that dagger with the M inside of it. Is that what it means? So yeah, beautiful little knife, great condition, super collectible. Wow, look at this, they're X. And that's what we are talking about. I love this kind of knife that is polished. It's kind of hard to see with all this light. There you go. Mirror polished, you see it? Yeah, that's it. That is a nice blade. What do you guys think? Again, this is super collectible. You know, some people collect jewelry, coins, some people collect knives, high-end knives like that. Look at that blade, super thick. So yeah, tell me this is not one of a kind, beautiful next level knife. Yeah, there you go. I'll give them all the compliments because it's an amazing knife right here. Next, Tech. Since I start videos of making this kind of knives, I have learned this is the son of Morpheon, I guess. He made his own company, Mentico E. Again, this is kind of a like limited edition, or this is just a serial number. They don't have a metal certificate of authenticity. This smells like a piece of paper, but this one was made in 2020. So let's see what's about. Same thing, Tech. Not really sure how to pronounce it. Hirtik, maybe that's what it pronounces. Wow, I love that flat black. Beautiful. There's a little bull over here, and also I guess you can put a little rope on it. Whoa, carbon fiber button over here. And that's what we were talking about. Looks super rustic. I love that. So nice. Flat black is really beautiful. And looks like there is all that information about it is right here on the clip. So yeah, there is another one. Beautiful design knife. Do you guys like that? Dogger style, but instead of polished, you got right here little dots. Kinda cool. This one is a lot cheaper though. Okay, Rita knife. This is really good stuff as well. This is Tybia, carbon fiber, stonewash flat, stainless finish blade. Is that what it says? Kinda hard to read it. Oh, okay, this is cool. This is a fixed blade. So many people constantly ask me to do a fixed blade video. There you go. We got a fixed blade. Check this out. Ooh, look at all this smudges. So there you go. Little cleaver over here. Obviously. Oh, I was gonna say, seems to be the blade is so much heavier, but it's well balanced. 3-finger knife. There's where your balance is, where you're going to hold it pretty much this way. Interesting. Giant blade. Wow, really thick. What do you guys think? It's looks like one of these leather holders, and I guess it's gonna go this way. Beautiful. Let's close it in. So I guess if you pull it out quickly, you'll have to pull this out, and whenever you pull this out, you wanna like move this out of the way, because I see too many times people cut this thing off with a sharp knife. Just happens all the time. But yeah, beautiful fixed blade. I know you guys like it. Carbon fiber handle. There you go. Maybe I'll do more fixed blade knives. Here's something different. Mitch Force folding knife. Okay, let's unbox it. Also, does it say what kind it is? Mitch Force M1 folding knife. Tire, Pantone, blue anodized, and all that good stuff. Okay, some kind of bandage stickers for your knife. I don't know about that, but that thing is cool. Look at that finish. That's what they mean by anodized. Beautiful. Very smooth. Flipper. Wow, I'm in love. What is the balance on this knife? Definitely off balance, but I think this is more for look. Incredibly smooth. There is the logo. Beautiful logo. I really like standard blade. Wow. Frame lock. This thing is insanely cute. Do you see how smooth that is? I guess this is what they mean by anodized handle. I really love that ridges, and it feels good on your hand. And if you look inside of it, Mitch Force 28. I guess this is the serial number. Beautiful and very smooth knife. Check this out. That's awesome. Okay, next, very expensive box cutters. They said here, Chub Flipper. A lot of people already going to complain that the blade is not easily removable. I think to remove the blade you'd have to take off the screws, but it is very popular knife. Even though it's a box cutter, it has a really big following for that brand. Looks like a removable clip. You can put it this way or keep it this way, seems to be, maybe. Or maybe you can just put this clip in. This comes with the extra clip right here. But yeah, this thing's sold out. Even though you might not like it, because it's not simple to remove the blade. You'll have to unscrew it. This thing's completely sold out. It's like a little flipper box cutter. People love that brand. Then you have one like everyday carry, very simple. This thing is like $150, give it or take it, depends where you buy it. You have a screwdriver, bottle opener, and there is your blade. There's a button, so you press on it. Or how do you do this? I guess you press on it this way and take the blade out. Okay, I guess you'd have to hold it this way, you see? That's what is gonna remove the blade. Thick box cutting blade right here. Okay, now we press it, open it, slide it in, lock it in. There you go. And whenever you wanna put it away quickly, you could. To release it, you kinda have to do it slowly with two hands, so it's just gonna fly out. There's a longer, there's a shorter. That's pretty cool. Everyday carry little piece over here. And to put it away, boom, it locks in. So very unique. People pay over $150 for everyday carry thing over here. Rexford knives root. Yeah, you might be like complaining that it's too expensive for EDC tool like that, but people willing to pay and they really love it, and it's easy to resell it or trade it. Next, I got right here something unique. It's vintage Microtech. Check this out. This is more like a neck knife. You put it over your neck with a little like paracord. So how do we pull this out? Okay, there you go. Wow, interesting. Microtech Medallion, that's what it's called. And it's 01 2002. Really old one. 154 cm steel. I don't know, just a very unique little knife, that's for sure. Have some wear and tear to it. Not too much on the blade, but this thing is interesting. Now nicely balanced. I know, feels kind of cheap, but I love Microtech and I know a lot of people do. So this thing is highly collectible for vintage tool like this. Next we got right here Protech. This one right here, TRTB, black handle. Okay. Protechs are pretty cool. Pretty soft clip. Okay, looks like there is no safety, just a button, but you gotta push quite a bit for this button. But look at the kickback. Do you see that? That spring is a kicker. Protech USA, 154 cm. Pretty beautiful little knife. I would carry that every day. Very nice. Okay, let's keep on going. Last one is something unique. ISAM. There is IS004. I guess that's the name of it. This one is like a pocket knife, a tiny one. I kind of like it because it's more of a high-end carbon fiber, except the beautiful stuff. Looks like it's not a phone flipper. What do you call that? Like this. I need to figure out how to flip it. I guess it's not so much a phone flipper. It has like a nail puller, and also it doesn't hold anything, so you can break it up pretty easily. What they say on this side? CPM 20 CV. So it's a nice high-end steel, but interesting design to where just, okay, you gotta flick it this way. But you gotta flick it pretty good. And it's so small, I would afraid to kinda lose it. Interesting. There you go. A tiny little pocket knife. What do you guys think? So anyways, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. There's a lot of good ones, obviously Marfians most expensive, but yeah, they're all beautiful. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.